Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ayushi and you are watching Anshi Creates. Today's video is gonna be about Mandala Art Sketchbook 2 and I'm gonna share some of my favorite mandalas. This mandala that you're seeing is my very favorite mandala. Watch the video till the end and comment down below out of these which is your favorite. For this video, I hope you would have liked this video. Do not forget to hit the bell button and subscribe to this channel to be the part of this family. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. And also comment down below which was your favorite mandala.